Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website mrmann.com.au. I'm on a home page and I really love that you are showing high quality hero image. It would be great to show one of your products in the image, and as you can see, the number of pop-ups cover the text within the image, so it would be great to change the layout of either the pop-ups or the text, and have more enticing tagline to click it, because at the moment it feels a little bit like the tone of voice feels very neutral to really prompt people to click. So for example, swim sports, it doesn't really engage with your visitors. If you said shop for sports equipment, shop for sports gear, it would be much more enticing for people to click and shop. And obviously you don't have call to action buttons such as shop now or click here or something like that, and obviously you don't show the product in the image. So remember, all of these elements help your conversion, right? But you've got afterpay information. When it comes to the content, it would be better to show the products here. You seem to have like the logo goes in the way, the pop-ups go in a way, there's too many distractions on a home page that can affect the user experience. So remember to optimize them. Logo doesn't have to take that much space, and also you can minimize those pop-ups, those tabs as well. I recommend showing the featured products right below the hero image instead of the text, so people can go to the products, can see the products right away, can click and shop, which definitely will help your conversion rate, and move those kind of elements at the bottom of the page. You've got fresh barcode arrivals. I mean, it's a great title, but it would be much better to use specific titles such as shop sports clothing, shop men's clothing, and so on. So it would be much more SEO friendly. Okay. This element, what is it? Is linked to the underwear, but it, for someone who's not familiar with this brand, this name could feel a little bit like out of place. So perhaps you can add a title, shop Shukru underwear, so people will be okay. So you've got this here, Shukru arrivals. I'm not sure why you need this here as well. Just takes too much space on the home page, but okay. So you've got, I'm not an expert in these kind of so okay, so you've got niche. Is it niche store? It's not sports store. Okay, so it's a niche store. Okay, right, another pop-up. I'm going to close that. Join us. Okay, but I can see that the clothing is top quality, which is nice. Dive, kick, and flip. Okay. I mean, they look nice. This collection is very nice as well. Follow us on Instagram. Creating something new. Okay, shop Skull and Bones. I don't think this shop button is activated, so remember to check any of those elements. Skull and Bones is not visible. It's almost like cropped, so remember it's kind of disappearing, isn't it? So on Skull and Bones. I mean, you're selling really interesting products and nice designs. Okay, Australia. Button navigation, footer navigation, plenty of trust signals. That's perfect. I'm going to check the shop page, refund exchange as well. The refund page looks great. There is plenty of information, unique policy, so that's perfect. The collection page looks great. It is the images look fantastic. Okay, so this is list of collections. There seems to be some of them are missing images. There's missing collection as well. So remember to check for any of those elements as well. Okay. Okay, I see. So you wanted to show this image is the hero image, but obviously the key product should be really shown in the hero image, but you were showing top of this image, which doesn't really make sense because you should be showing this in a hero image, right? On a home page, because if you show this, it just doesn't make sense. Okay. However, yeah, the images. I mean, it's very inviting to browse further. Which is great. I'm not sure why terms of service is being cut off into 2 lines. This title should really display in 1 line. But you've got, okay, let's have a look at the About Us page. The About Us page looks great. I love that you are showing the photo of yourself, so that's really important to build in trust, to build in authority, to build in a rapport, because rapport definitely will help improve sales, so that's perfect. I would avoid having 2 different styles of font, colors, and styles, because it looks like this page was put together in a hurry and not really optimized, but because you've got like smaller font that is italicized, you've got bigger font that is yellow, you've got bigger font that is bigger than this, and it's just, yeah, it's it feels like a little bit all over the place, this page, but I like that it's unique and it's personal, so it's important as well. On the collection page, the about us, the above default isn't optimized. So above default, this is the best converting area on any page. So really, you should be showing the product on a collection page. So when someone lands on your collection page, really the first thing people would need to see is at least the first row of the products, and this can be moved to the bottom of the collection. Doesn't have to take that much space. It can be mentioned on the product page. At the bottom of the product page, it really the layout like this can definitely affect your sales. Remember to remove that and show the collection page, so the products are displayed above default. Will be much better for the collection. But I'll have a look at the product page now. Okay, the product page looks really nice. I love the quality images, the quality image at the top. Okay, so you've got afterpay information here, which is excellent. Could add to cart, unique product description. Okay, link to other products within this collection, so that's also excellent. It's really nice. Your SEO score is 46 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta title and meta description are optimized, which is excellent, but they're a little bit too long. So remember, don't go over the character limit, because otherwise those elements will be cut off in the search results. So remember that the meta title has up to 65 characters. Meta description has up to 106, I think 160 characters. Don't go over that limit. Also, you have most of the tags are H1 tags, so don't overdo the H1 tag. H1 should be only one on a page and should be at the top, then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Remember about these as well. And also remember to optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags. They are also important for Google. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.